Wikidonist.com. Truth about tooth.
Today's topic is about types of aligners. There are a lot of types of aligners which are available. The most common aligner which is there, and the company which makes the largest number of aligners and which is present all across the world is Invisalign. What are the specificities of Invisalign is a long thing, because they have not revealed what material is being used. It is called as SmartTrack. It is a patented material and it is not used by any other. So, it has its own advantages and things like that. They always alter the material so that they will get the best or the optimal results of the clear clarity and then the movements and things like that. And it is much more softer and it can be changed every 7 days and things like that. So, Invisalign is one company which makes it. The AlignTech is the company and Invisalign is the product they give. And in Invisalign itself, there are a lot of packages which are available. That means that if it is a small gap which has to be done, or if there is a small rotation that has to be done, then it is called as Invisalign Go. That is the that is less than 5 aligners which is available, and from there it goes to Invisalign Lite, which is up to 14 aligners which is available, and then from Invisalign Lite you can go to Invisalign Moderate, Invisalign Intermediate, Invisalign Full, Invisalign Teen, wherein Invisalign Full and Teen is unlimited aligners. So, if there is a longer or a very complicated case, then we will have to go for an Invisalign Full, and extraction cases has to go for Invisalign Full, some deep bite cases has to go for Invisalign Full. There is a G6 protocol aligner also. So, in Invisalign itself there are different packages available, because one of the patients, why I talk about this is actually one of the patients had given me a call and asked me, I would like to go for a aligner and what is the cost, and that was one of the first Invisalign calls which was some years back, and I told this is the cost for Invisalign, and then the patient gives me a bad comment on my Google and say that, oh, it is costlier than my place, and then the patient is gone forever and she never came back to this thing, and she gave me a very bad remark on the Google saying that he is extremely costly. But the whole idea was actually I did not know about what treatment she required. She had a small gap or something like that, and then she went to the local dentist and she got a Invisalign Go, and it required just 5 aligners. But for me it was just starting. I had knowledge only up to Invisalign Lite, and I did not say a range, so that was my fault, and she thought about Invisalign is costly with me. Rather, the whole package which was available with Invisalign was Invisalign Go, which was a very small package, and I lost the patient and I got a very bad name on Google also. So, there are types of aligners, and even with the same company there are different types of packages also. So, and with aligners as a whole, clear aligners as a whole, there are a lot of companies which are available, like K-Line is a company, Clear Correct is a company, Clear Bite, Clear B, there was Clear Path which is even still available abroad and things like that. There are a lot of companies, and each company will call their package with a different name. So, for the patient who is actually coming to this thing, we have to very clearly understand that there are different types of aligners and whether this aligner package is good for you or not. So, you have to go to an orthodontist, you have to ask the thing which is the package which is best suited for you. It is not that one package is this thing. There are packages without refinements even. So, like Invisalign Go does not have any refinements, but Invisalign Lite has refinements. So, if it is a case where there is a doubt whether this will move with this many aligners, then you better do it with that one. Otherwise, what happens is you will lose the aligner treatment, because if you want another 1 millimeter movement, you will have to pay a full Invisalign Go cost to the company, then only they will give you the refinement. Otherwise, you will have to pay for that refinement. please ask. Some of the companies are giving actually the retention also along with the retainers also along with the package. So there are different types of packages with each and every company. So we have to understand. More than that, you have to discuss with the doctor whether it has the refinement which is part of the package, whether it has the retention as part of the package. What is refinement? I will let you know, because see, sometimes there will be 1 millimeter which is actually not closed, or there may be slight turns and twists which are there on the tooth which will not go with the first aligner set itself. So we might have to make another impression, we will have to send it to the company. Most of the companies will give you a packet of refinement aligners, but if you are choosing the smallest package, then they will not be able to afford a refinement package for that case. So please understand all those things. There are companies which will give you only for lower jaw. If you do a lower jaw only package, then there is a lesser cost. If there are companies but which will charge you the same cost for whether you are doing upper and lower or lower only. So it is all the same for that distance. So you might have to skip a lot of companies and things like that the doctor will do, but discuss with the doctor and then get into the treatment plan, so that you will get. That is why I have been talking about types of aligners. There are even manually made aligners which are available, wherein they cut it with a small saw rather than taking it into the computer and things like that. It is very cheap, but there are limitations to it, because that is how even Invisalign started before 1999, before it was made digital and things like that. What they used to do is they used to cut the cast into small pieces, and then they stick it with wax and then get into the movements and things like that. So all these are types of aligners, but can we call it as aligners? Yes, it is. It can be called as aligners, but there are limitations to some of these aligners. There are some aligners which claim they can only close the gaps between the teeth. There are aligners which say that they can do everything from even distalization and even complex movements. So please understand about their limitations and things like that. Please discuss with the doctor whether there is a better way to treat with it, because even though we call it as aligners, there are a lot of types, there are a lot of packages. Please understand all those things and then get the treatment done. Please don't ask the doctors the price, because before you show the teeth to them, please don't ask the doctor the price, because doctor will be forced to ask you the teeth. And second thing, the doctor will be forced to tell you only the aligner price without the refinement and the retention and all those things, because he has to convince you also. So all these things will come. Please go to the doctor, discuss with them, because it's a treatment. We have to see that whether there is other reasons for it. Please understand all those things, so that you will get a good treatment, you will get a better smile. I hope that you will get a very good treatment by listening to all these things, because there are a lot of types which you can choose from. We in our clinic itself, we do at least 3 or 4 companies aligners, because to give the best treatment for the patient itself. So thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe and press that personalized messaging message on the near the subscribe button. There is a small bell. Please press that, so that you will get notifications of this thing. There are a lot of videos which are there on different dental topics. Please watch, please comment if you have some queries and things like that, or even if you want to, if you are always welcome to visit me in Cochin. If you are watching from abroad, if you are coming to Kerala, the beautiful God's own country, you are welcome to be with me, spend some time with me. Thank you very much.
Wikidonus.com